Just look at the amount of walkable space this room has. A spacious kitchen. You will be getting two sides of parallel platform. Just look at the space in this room. Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be giving you a 3 BHK sample flat tour of Romal Asarwa by Romal Group. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the main tower. Now let me take you to the main road and show you the neighborhood and the connectivity. Let's go. So as you can see, I'm standing at the main gate. Check out the main road and the neighborhood. The left leads you to the station. The right leads you to the Azad Nagar Metro. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 0.5 acres with ground plus 16 residential floors with a configuration of 2 and 3 BHK. Talking about amenities, this project has 10 plus amenities including swimming pool, kids play area, gym, multi-purpose court, indoor game zones and many more. Talking about connectivity of this project is located on JP Road near Andheri Station with metro station at a distance of just 2 minutes, Andheri Station at a distance of just 2 minutes, Western Express Highway at a distance of just 2.2 km, International Airport at a distance of just 5.5 km, school, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 km. Now let's go and check out the sample flat. Let's go. Now let me give you the 3 BHK sample flat tour with an area of 963 square feet. As we enter, this is your living room, a very spacious living room. Just look at the amount of walkable space this room has. After placing your entire sofa set, there's still so much of open space for people to walk, move around, for children to play. Moving ahead, right here is your French window, so you get French window attached. Now let's go check out the dining area. So right here is your dining area. The amount of space this dining area has, 6 to 8 seats of dining space can easily accommodate over here. They've taken care of everything. And right in front of your dining area is your very spacious kitchen. Have a look at it. Such a spacious kitchen. You will be getting two sides of parallel platform. So much place for your cabinet as well. And right here is your washing machine area. So they've taken care of washing machine area as well. Again, you get French window attached. Right here is your refrigerator area. So easily a double door refrigerator can fit in over here. Now let's go check out the bedrooms. As we move ahead, to my left is your common washroom. You get this with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. Just look at the space in this washroom. And then this is your bedroom number 1. Look at the space. No bedroom in this house is compact. It's a quite spacious rooms. After placing a whole king size bed also, there's so much of walkable space in this room. Again, you get French window attached. Right here, this wall can be used for your wardrobe area. So a whole wall dedicated to your wardrobe area. Now let's go check out the other bedrooms. So this is your bedroom number 2. Again, a very spacious bedroom. You are going to be getting this house as it is shown in the video. Just the false ceiling will not be getting. But except that, entire house will be as it is shown in the video. Right here is your attached washroom. Have a look at the attached washroom. Again, you're going to be getting this with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. A quite spacious attached washroom. And the best part is all the rooms are going to be getting AC, so you don't have to worry about AC. Now, before going to the master bedroom, which is the last bedroom of this house, let me tell you some key features of Housey. So Housey gives you actual location tour, actual flat video and sample flat video, pros and cons of buying the project, payment and EMI schemes and 360-degree location tour. All these very amazing features are available on Housey.com, so don't forget to register yourself for free and book a free site visit today with us. Now let's go check out the master bedroom. As we enter, this is your foyer space for your master bedroom and the wardrobe space as well. So this whole wall, this whole area you can dedicate to your wardrobe space, and your bedroom will have quite a lot of privacy. Moving ahead, this is your attached washroom. Again, a quite spacious attached washroom. You'll get anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings in the washroom. And then right here is your very spacious bedroom. Just look at the space in this room. It's almost as equivalent to a small size flat, the drawing area of the flats. After placing a whole king size bed also, there's so much of walkable space, and again you will be getting French window attached. So as you saw, every room in this house is very spacious and well planned. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of Rowell Asarwa by Rowell Group. To get more information about this property, do check the comment section. And to know more about such videos, do check the icon button. Also do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.